Hi there, I'm Valentina, the founder of Daye, and I'm so glad you're here. By taking this step to better understand your vaginal health, you're joining thousands of others who are taking control of their overall gynae health experience. I know from firsthand that traditional screening methods can feel intimidating and uncomfortable. And that's exactly why we created this tampon-based screening device to make the process easier, more comfortable, and delivered completely on your terms. In a moment, you'll complete a short questionnaire that will help us understand your personal health history. Then you'll see detailed instructions for collecting your sample. And don't worry, it's as simple as using a regular tampon, and you can do it wherever you feel most comfortable. Once you've collected your sample, just pack it up and send it back to us in the prepaid packaging. Our lab technicians will analyze it using state-of-the-art quantitative PCR technology, the same method used in hospitals and research facilities worldwide. Within 3 to 5 business days, you'll receive your comprehensive results through our secure platform. And whether your results bring you relief or raise questions, remember, you are not alone. Our team of sexual health, fertility, and menopause experts is here to support you through every step of the way. We're here because we believe vaginal health should be more accessible, comfortable, and empowering for everyone. Thank you for trusting us with your health journey.